The aim of this experiment is to show how shadows are formed and how the size and the shape of the shadow varies. The material required is a torch. You can also use a candle, a small opaque object. You can use any toy, a book, or even your hand, and a white wall or a large sheet of paper which will act as a screen.
Observe the shadow on the wall. As I move my hand towards the wall, the shadow becomes small and clear. Whereas when I move my hand towards the source of light, the shadow becomes big and blurred. When I change the shape of my hand, the shape of the shadow also changes. So that means shadows are formed depending upon the distance from the source of light, depending upon the shape of the object, and the color of the shadow, as you can see here, is always black.
After performing the experiment, the conclusion that we can draw is that shadows are formed whenever the path of light is blocked by an opaque object. The size of the shadow depends upon the distance between the object, the source of light, and the screen, and the shadow is always dark and it takes the shape of the object.